All right, the market is following through with another rally today. Nasdaq is up about 2%. S&P is up about 1.7%. Just a couple of house cleaning items. I have a couple of spreads that are coming off this Friday's expiration. So the first one here is ExxonMobil. Put the bull put spread on this. I need the stock to stay above. That's 82.38 level. That's this line here. Right now trading at 92.08. So I have a good feeling that this spread is just the options are going to expire worthless, and we'll get to keep the premium. Hershey Foods. So Hershey Foods bull put spread expiring this Friday. I need the stock to stay above that 214.70 level. Stock is off a little bit today, but 226. So I feel pretty good about these options expiring worthless, and we get to keep that spread. JP Morgan, I got the bear call spread on it, so I need the stock to stay below 127.24 by this Friday. Stock is now at 121.59. If it does stay in the green by Friday, these options will expire worthless, and we get to keep the spread. Bank of New York, Mellon, BK. This one here is a little bit of a nail biter. Having a really strong day today. It's up, 2.5%. I need this stock to stay below this 45.23 range by Friday. As long as it stays in the green, we should be good. They'll expire worthless. We get to keep the spread. Bio-Rad, I've had this on for a while, but this is the bear call spread. I need it by this Friday to close below $623. Stock now is trading at $512, so it's highly likely that we're going to be able, that these options will expire worthless, and we'll keep the spread. Bear call spread. This is Charles River CRL. I need the stock to stay below $312.56. $312.56. Stock right now is at 235. Call it. So as long as it stays in the green and closes below this line by this Friday, we will get to keep that spread. So this one here is Pilgrim Pride. We were doing really well with this. Recently, though, it broke out. So I need this stock to be below 28.18 by this Friday. It's trading at $30 now, so there may be an instance here where I'm gonna have to unwind this for the loss. I'll give it a few days and see what happens. Okay, I have this this bull vertical on Tesla. I was thinking, I guess right here when we put it on, when it was rallying, I thought maybe it was going to start to head higher. Obviously it didn't. This thing just came way down. So most likely this is going to expire worthless, and we're going to lose all of our money in this by Friday, unless by some chance Tesla has a huge rally up to about 950. Highly unlikely. Stock's at what, 760 now. So this one here could be a loss for this Friday. I've got these puts in here for XYL. It hung tough. I gotta tell you, I thought for sure that it was going to be coming down. It was in a nasty downtrend. This is the weekly chart. I think I have a daily chart over here. This is the daily. Hasn't really gone up too much. It's kind of been sitting tight. I was expecting some type of downturn. I didn't get it. These options are expiring this Friday, so if something were to happen by Friday and the stock drops below this level of 77.95, we'll be in good shape. Otherwise, I'm probably either going to take the loss on them as they expire worthless, or let's see if if it comes down a little bit, maybe I can trade out and salvage some of my money. So that's the house cleaning. The only other thing I did today, this is Chewy on a weekly basis. So I put the straddle on. So these options are expiring. These options are expiring on June 3rd. The reason why I did that is because if you take a look at where their next earnings, so this is Chewy. They're expected to report earnings on 6/1. I'm anticipating something happening there. So if we take a look at the chart, you can see my straddle here. My break-evens here are 27.15 and 21.25. So as long as it stays outside of this red zone, we should be good. So I'm anticipating one of two things happen on earnings. Either it's going to race up or it's going to come crashing down. So we're playing some volatility here in the name. I went ahead and I bought the June 3rd 27 strike price puts for $2.81. And I bought the June 3rd 27 strike price calls for $2.94. Again, anticipating some type of volatility entering the name. I'm off to a poor start. My trade is down 7% right now. But again, this is kind of an earnings play or into earnings. So we'll see what next week brings. Okay, that's all I have for today. Thanks.